Click on the link below to get price. The Dell Pro Slim QCS1250 SFF desktop is a commendable addition to the realm of small form factor SFF computers, seamlessly blending performance, design, and versatility. Replacing the OptiPlex SFF, this model is powered by the Intel Ultra 7-265K processor, which offers a robust performance suitable for both professional and personal use. One of the standout features of the QCS1250 is its compact design. This desktop is engineered to fit snugly in tight spaces, making it ideal for office environments, home offices, or any situation where desk space is at a premium. The sleek profile not only looks modern but also ensures that it can blend effortlessly into any setting. Dell has made sure that it doesn't compromise on connectivity. The QCS1250 comes equipped with multiple USB ports, HDMI, and DisplayPort, enabling seamless integration with various peripherals and displays. In terms of performance, the Intel Ultra 7-265K processor provides impressive speed and efficiency for everyday tasks, whether it's running multiple applications or handling more intensive workloads. The accompanying RAM and storage options are flexible, allowing users to customize their configuration based on specific needs, whether for basic office tasks or more demanding applications. The thermal management of the QCS1250 is noteworthy as well. Despite its compact size, the desktop remains relatively quiet and cool, even during extended use. This is a significant advantage for users who prioritize a quiet workspace. Dell also emphasizes security, with features like BIOS protection and hardware-based security options to ensure that sensitive data remains safe. While the Dell Pro Slim QCS1250 SFF desktop shines in its compactness and performance, it's essential to consider it within the context of its intended use. For users looking for a powerful workstation that doesn't take up too much space, this desktop is a substantial choice, providing the reliability and functionality expected from Dell. Overall, it's a solid investment for anyone needing a dependable SFF desktop.